So, good morning, all of you. As we were discussed, the need of human resource planning, the topic for today is importance and objectives of human resource planning. This is what the importances are. These are objectives of human resource planning. Let us understand the first topic here. So, importance of human resource planning. Human resource planning is important to create highly talented personnel. Personnel refers to the group of people working in an organization. Shortage of labor cost by changing the job changes would upgrade or degrade jobs and create manpower shortage. HRP helps to resolve the job related problems. So here HRP is highly important because it creates the talented personnel based on the current requirements of training requirements of the human resource. Based on that, the human resource can be developed in the organization. With that, the talent person can be developed in the organization. Protection of weaker section. A well-convinced personal planning would also help to protect the interest of physically challenged children of socially oppressed and backward classes who enjoy certain percentage of employment in the organization with constitutional provisions of equal opportunity for all. So with the help of human resource planning, the protection of weaker section can be planned, like there are physically handicapped children from socially oppressed or backward classes. So all these have certain percentage of reservation in the organization. Based on the human resource planning, this all the reservation can be fulfilled, and based on that the jobs can be provided to the people who are being socially backward in the society, and it also helps in protection of the weaker section. Coping with the change. Coping with the change refers to getting adjusted to the change. Human resource planning enables the enterprise to bring changes in the organization. Competitive forces, market, technology, products, government regulations, such changes further generate job content, skills, number of human resource required. So whenever the change is being occurred in the society, based on the human resource planning, the change can be implemented in the organization. Those changes help the organization to grow in the future. Next is forecast future personal needs. To avoid the situations of surplus or deficiency of manpower in future, it is important to plan your manpower in advance. For this purpose, proper forecasting of your future business needs helps you to certain future manpower needs. HRP plays an important role to predict right size of manpower to the organization. Forecasting refers to something understanding something might happen in future. So that is what the forecasting is. Based on the facts and figures, based on the current requirements, the future planning can be done with the help of HRP. So in advance, the organization can plan how many people are required to do a particular job. Based on the requirements, the job requirements can be fulfilled. International requirements. International expansion strategy depends upon effective HRP. With the growing trends towards global operations, the need for HRP in the organization is keep on growing. HRP provides essential information for designing and implementing functions like such as recruitment, selection, training. So based on the international requirements, nowadays the human resource is not that only human resource which is working here in India can only work here in India. A person who is working here in India can also work in outside India or foreign nations. So based on the foreign nationalities and foreign requirements, this international requirements can be fulfilled. Next is HRP helps to increase investment in HR. Another importance of HRP is to investment done in HR. HR refers to human resource. As human resources are considered to be human capital, it is important that employees are effectively utilized through the, and their career has to be developed with the help of the human resource planning. Next is resistance to change. The growing resistance to change and move, self evaluation, loyalty, and people are concerned about themselves rather than moving or changing. With the help of HRP, the changes can be brought and movement of human resource from one place to another place becomes easy. Coming to the next point here, performance appraisal. Human resource management encourages the people work in an organization to work accordingly to their potential and gives them the suggestions that can help to bring improvement in them. The teams communicate with the staff and necessary information regarding the performance and roles, which helps in for the motivation of employees. So performance appraisals are also can be done with the help of human resource planning. Based on the current performance of an employee, the reward system can be introduced, the incentive system can be introduced. That is what the importance of human resource planning is. Let us understand the objectives of HRP. There are certain objectives of HRP. The first and foremost is to review the human resource needs for future and making plans for recruitment and selection. HRP helps to understand the future and make it helps in making current recruitment and selection pattern will be based on the previous HRP. To identify skills required in future. So the skills which are being present today might be not be the skills required for future. So sometimes HRP helps to understanding the future skill requirements. Based on that, the training and development facilities can be provided. Next is to determine the training and development needs of an organization. So based on the human resource planning, the requirements of training and development needs can be fulfilled. It helps in understanding the training and development needs of the organization. To anticipate surplus and shortage of staff and avoiding unnecessary detentions and dismissals. With the help of human resource planning, the understanding of surplus refers to the excess of staff, and the shortage of staff can be understood, and it helps in avoiding unnecessary detention or dismissal. Detention refers to removal of jobs or dismissals of jobs in the organization. To ensure and controlling of wage and salary cost, human resource planning helps to identify the compensation. Based on that, compensation can be planned. The compensation includes wage, salary, etc. Next is to ensure optimum use of human resource in the organization. With the help of human resource planning, the human resource management can be utilized at its best and it can be made productive, and the overall achievement of goals can be achieved with the help of human resource planning. Next is to consider the high labor productivity. With the help of human resource planning, the labor productivity can be increased, the morale of employees can be developed. With the help of morale of an employee, the confidence in employees, the productivity can be reached in the organization. To ensure career planning of all the employees, with the help of human resource planning, the career planning of employees can be developed, and the future development of people working in an organization can be developed with the human resource planning. Fine then, thanks a lot.